Good day guys, welcome back here to our another episode of our speed math series. So today we're on season 1 episode 3, right? And we'll be learning how to multiply by 12, and I'm going to learn that fast, easy, and without using a calculator, guys, right? So let's get straight to it. So guys, multiplying by 12, we are going to need the rules that we used to apply when you're multiplying by 11, right? So we said when you're multiplying by 11 that if you're having this number here, if you're having this number here, for example 3, 2, 4, for example, being multiplied by 12, I said what we need to do is just to place this number in our notation. So this is our notation. So 0, this one doesn't make any change, or these zeros doesn't make any change, right? But what I told you to do is that every number that is on the right of a number is a neighbor, right? So it means that 0 is the neighbor of 4, and 4 is the neighbor of 2, and 2 is the neighbor of 3, and 3 is the neighbor of 0, and so on, right? So any number on the right is the neighbor, right? So any number on the right is the neighbor of that number, right? So what you need to do is that we need to take a number and double the number. So at any number that we are going to take that number and double the number. After doubling the number, add it to its neighbor. So we are going to take a number and double it and add it with its neighbor, right? So let's try to use that. So let's take a look at 4. If we double 4, we are going to get 8, right? Doubling 4, we are going to get 8, and then we are adding to its neighbor, which is 0, which gives us 8 still, right? And we take 2. If we take 2 and double 2, what are we going to get? We are going to get 4 and add it to its neighbor. So 4 plus 4 becomes 8 as well, right? And we're going to take this 3 and double it. If we double 3, we're going to get 6 and add it with its neighbor, which is 2. We're going to get 8. And then we're going to add to take 0 and double it. It still gives us 0, and add it to its neighbor. This becomes 3. So this is the answer to that. So let's take a different number and also multiply by 12, right? We're still going to apply the same rules, right? So again, we are going to place this in our notation, right? So 0 is the neighbor of 7, 7 is the neighbor of 5, 5 is the neighbor of 4, and 4 is the neighbor of 0, right? So we're going to take this number and double it. It's going to give us 14, and add the neighbor. Still it's 14, so it's 4 carry 1. And we take 5 and we double it. We're going to get 10 plus 7. What are we going to get? We're going to get 17 plus that 1. That's 8. And we're going to carry 1, right? And then again, we're going to take this 4 and double it. We're going to get 8. 8 plus the neighbor. 8 plus 5 gives us 13 plus 1. It's 14. So it's also 4 carry 1. And we're going to get 0. 0 double it is still 0. And add it with 4. That's 4 plus 1. It's 5. So this is the answer to that, just like that. You can get as small numbers as you want, guys. We are still going to get the same answer, right? So this in our notation, this is 0, 8.00, right? So we take 8 and then we double it, and we are going to get 16, right? Plus 0, that is 6 carry 1. And then now we are on this one, right? 0 doubling it is still 0 plus 8, that's 8 plus 1, that's 9. And this is our answer to that. We can still get a bigger number, guys, and multiply it by 12, right? Without using a calculator, we're still gonna get it, right? So this number in our notation, this is 0, 7, 9, 4, 4, 8.00, right? So we're going to take 8 and double it, that's 16, plus 0, that's still 16. So write 6 and then we carry 1. And then we take 4 and double it, we're going to get 8. 8 plus this 8, that's 16 plus 1, that's 17. So 7 carry 1. And now we are on this 4. 4 doubling it, that's 8. 8 plus 4, that's 12. 12 plus 1, that's 13. So it's 3 carry 1. And now we're going to get this 9. 9 doubling it, we're going to get 18. 18 plus 4, that's 22. 22 plus 1, that's 23. So it's 3 carry 2. And now we're going to go on 7. 7, we double it, we're going to get 14. 14 plus 9, that's 23. 23 plus 2, that's 25. So it's 5 carry 2. Now on 0. 0 doubling it, we are still going to get 0 plus 7, that's 7 plus 2, that's 9. And this is our answer to that. Just like that, without using a calculator. If you have enjoyed these, guys, please subscribe, share, and like. And also comment, guys, what you think. See you on the next one.